Well, good morning, YouTube. Rick Nixon here from Nixon's Garage, building that rat rod 59 Buick Electra for Rat Stock 2024. As you know, the dates have quickly approached and we're down to the last few minutes. It's Sunday afternoon, about 12 o'clock. We've got most of the floorboard done. We're about ready to set the body back on it and try to finish some of the final construction. Got a ways to go, but it still looks pretty good. We got 4 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we can drive all day Thursday, be at the show on Friday. We're still fighting with the radiator placement and the fuel cell. I'm not sure what to do with them exactly, but one of them, they got to be in here somewhere. Got 2 or 3 different radiators to try out today, but I need the body in place to kind of figure that out. So I'm going to walk around, let you take a little look at everything that's going on, get you pictures of what you can see. I'll try to talk in the background a little bit. So sit back, relax, and take a look at 59 Buick Electra rat rod. The front suspension is completely finished, including the steering. We're ready to hook from the steering box to the steering column. This is the 454 that we thought was a 402 that we thought had blown head gaskets. It did have blown head gaskets. It also had the bearings down into the copper, so we were brass. So we put new bearings in it. I put some new rings in it, and it's ready to go. 700 transmission. I took it apart, put in clutches and seals. It's ready to go. As you can see, we have the drive shaft in place. And the rear suspension is completely finished. It's custom built 4-link, panhard bar, air ride, 373 gears, positive traction, and disc brakes. Little Ford Explorer rear end we narrowed up if you missed that episode. We're building the floorboard out of some metal we got out of our scrap bin. Bottom pieces are the floor of an F-150 bed. The rear firewall is the rear of an F-150 cab. I folded up the center drive shaft hump. I still got to do from there to the firewall. That doesn't seem like a lot. The side pipe headers, which we really dig, actually hit the body, so we've cut them off. Today, once the body's in place, we'll start putting them back together. They have to droop a little bit to clear the body, so got quite a bit of welding to do there. These front wheels don't seem to polish up very well. I guess that color tells me they're actually so old they might be magnesium. You still got a bit more welding to do on the rear firewall to the floorboard. But all in all, I think it's turning out really nice. Thanks for coming to the channel and watching us as we put this together. We will continue to make videos until we're done. And maybe a couple when it gets done. Say a prayer for us. Have a great week. Come back and check on us again tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Become our friends on Facebook. Send us a car to work on. We still got to pay for this. We still got to pay for this place. Have a great week.